Java is a popular programming language. It is used to create software for computers and other devices. Java was created by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now Oracle. He started working on Java in the early 1990s. Java was initially called Oak after an oak tree outside Gosling's office. Later it was renamed Java after a type of coffee. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere capability. This means Java code can run on different devices without modification. Java is an object-oriented programming language. This means it uses objects to represent data and methods. Objects make code reusable and easier to maintain. Java is a powerful language for various applications. From web development to mobile apps, Java is a versatile choice for programmers. In the next section, we will delve into the history and evolution of Java, exploring its journey from its inception to its current state. Java's journey began in 1991. A team at Sun Microsystems led by James Gosling started the Green Project. They aimed to create a language for digital devices like set-top boxes. Java was initially called Oak, however it was renamed Java in 1995. The first version, Java 1.0, was released. It introduced features like objects, classes, and threads. Over time, Java evolved with new versions. Java 2.0, released in 1998, brought significant improvements. It introduced the collections framework. Java 5.0, released in 2004, added generics and annotations. Java 8, released in 2014, introduced lambda expressions. Each new version brought powerful features to Java. Java continues to evolve with regular updates. New versions bring performance improvements and security enhancements. Java is one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. It is used in various domains, making it a versatile choice for developers. One reason for Java's popularity is its platform independence. Java code can run on any device with a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. This write once, run anywhere capability makes it highly portable. Java is widely used in web development. Java servlets and Java server pages, or JSP, are used for creating dynamic web pages. Many enterprise applications rely on Java for their backend systems. Java is also used in Android app development. Android, the most popular mobile operating system, uses Java as its primary language. Java is also used in big data, scientific computing, and financial applications. Its robustness and scalability make it suitable for handling large data sets and complex computations. In object-oriented programming, everything is an object. An object is a real-world entity. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. Think of a class as a template. A class defines the properties and behaviors of an object. For example, let's consider a car class. The properties of a car could include its color, model, and speed. The behaviors of a car could include starting the engine, accelerating, and braking. To create an object from a class, we use the new keyword. For example, creates a new object myCar of the class car. We can then access the properties and behaviors of the myCar object using the dot operator. Classes and objects are fundamental concepts in Java. Understanding them is crucial for writing object-oriented programs. By breaking down a problem into objects and classes, we can create modular and reusable code.